we can determine the offset of an unknown antenna using 3D LNB and then easily find any satellite. Open the extension. Connect the receiver. Go to Antenna Settings. Select a satellite. And turn on the 3D function. Input the serial number 3D LNB. Now navigate to Dish Pointing and choose the frequency. Now rotate LNB and watch the indicator. Turn the antenna in the approximate direction of the satellite. Turn the Signal plus Spectrum option. Find satellites and analyze the signal. We can see that it is hot buried. Now maximize the signal strength. Our dish has offset 37. Navigate to the menu and set the antenna. Manufacturer, new dish. Offset, use values from the previous search. Model, new. Now we can find any satellites fairly quickly and optimally. Choose Astra 19E. Navigate to Dish Pointing. Skew the LNB. And set the vertical angle. Rotate left or right until we have found the signal. Analyze the signal. This is Astra 19E. Then choose Astra 5E, for instance. Rotate LNB Set the vertical angle. Rotate left or right until you have found a signal. Analyze signal. There we have it. As you can see, even in the case of obscure satellites, our technology still makes the lookup process quite quick and simple.